julle is reg, ons gaan 'n bietjie Engels doen vandag. Ons gaan my lyfie doen, want dit pas by ons tema van die hospitaal. Kom ons begin. Eerste. This is my head. Dit is my kop. Mooi. This is my hair. Dis my hare. Mooi. These are my ears. Dit is my ore of my plompotte. These are my eyes. Dis my oë. This is my nose. Dis my neus. This is my mouth. Dis my mond. These are my teeth. Dis my tande. Mooi. This is my tongue. Dis my tong. These are my shoulders. These are my shoulders. Dis my skouers. Mooi. This is my elbow. This is my elbow. Dis my elleboog. Baie mooi en hy kan buig. These are my hands. Dis my hande. These are my fingers. Dis my vingers. This is my finger. These are my fingers. Dis my vinger. Hierdie is my vingers. Mooi. This is my chest. Dis my bors, hier waar dit hard is. This is my stomach. This is my stomach. Hier waar dit sag is dit jou maag. These are my hips. Dis my heupe wat kan buig. These are my knees. Dis my knieë wat kan buig ook. These are my legs. They can kick. Dis my bene wat kan skop. Mooi. These are my feet. These are my feet. Dis my voete. Baie mooi. These are my toes. Dis my tone. Mooi. This is my heel. Dis my hak. Baie mooi. En ons laaste een wat ons amper vergeet het. These are my arms. Dis my arms om julle lekker stywe drukkies te gee. Ek hoop ons sien mekaar gou. Soet wees. Totsiens.